Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery for the key fob of the Acura MDX. It works for 2014 all the way to 2018. First, you need to move that toggle right there. See if I move the closer, there's a little toggle right there. You move it to the right and it will open up the private key, or what they call a manual or valid key. Okay. When you take that out, what I do, I use the same one and I snap this. You put in there, you snap it a little bit to open it up, and you're gonna see that little groove right there. See that? And I usually run my finger there to open up a little more. And if it's too hard, you can hold it firm on both sides, and you should be able to snap that open. When you snap it open, and there's the battery, and it takes the DL2032 battery, and that's it. Change it and snap it back together. Just new, and so you don't have to take it to the dealer and they charge you an arm and leg for it, just to change the battery. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the video. Thank you.